Hello all my crafty friends, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I am going over kind of a prep for 30 days of sketches. I wanted to include a couple of videos to show you guys kind of my thought process on what I'm doing this year for 30 days of sketches and getting the kits ready. I don't have a lot of photos printed, but I do have these two right here that I'm going to be incorporating in my South Carolina trip. And so I wanted to make a layout with these two, and so I knew exactly when I saw these that I was going to pick a collection from Chanel and make a page kit from this. So I pulled my little kit that I have that has all my Chanel stuff, and I figured why not, you know, pull some things that I want to use from her collections, and hopefully try to use up some things. So I immediately thought of this collection right here, which is the field trip collection. I immediately thought of that because there's like dinosaurs and stuff. So that is the collection that I'm basically gonna work on. And so I'm gonna pull just some things out that I have in here, and you guys can kind of see I have a whole bunch of stuff in here, and I feel like I could use a couple of these on there because they're, I don't even know, but I feel like I could use those, and maybe even use these up. Maybe not all of them, but maybe like these I could try to use. So I'm basically just going through like her collections and kind of picking and choosing some items that I wanted to use. See, I have Sparkle City in there. I'm just gonna move those over. I have a whole stack of embellishments, which I don't think I'm gonna use for this collection or this kit. I have this, which I thought would be really cool to incorporate. Maybe we could try to use that up or use one of those. And then let's see, grow, search. I could definitely use this search. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm basically gonna go through, just kind of pick and choose what I want to work with. This is a really cute, I wish I would have gotten this full pack of like all the stuff for that collection, but I did not. This is like another, oh, these are cut aparts from this collection kit, which I'm not going to use. Oh, I have some, sorry for the crinkle. I have some like pieces that are like acrylic pieces I could try to use from her collection. I really like those three. Okay, we're gonna include those three in this kit. To use some things up, and then this is for her new collection, which I really want to use, but I know I'm not going to use it for this paper pad or for this layout, because I want to use, I know which one I want to use for this one. So let me go ahead and try to get these papers out and pull from this collection. I know I have it in here, so I'm just gonna pull my field trip collections. You guys are seeing everything, so there we go. Okay, let's see what we have for this collection. Super excited. Okay, all right, so let's see what we have. So I think I definitely want to incorporate, like, that's cute. I definitely want to incorporate this paper somehow. I would love to get like all of these on there, but I definitely want to use that up. Let's see, what else do we have? I could probably try to use this pink, even though it's like the same color. That would be really cute. Maybe. I like that one. And I even like this one. They have little space helmets. That's so cute. Okay, definitely not that one, but maybe we could do something like that as like a background page. Or even that one. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, look at that. That one is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm definitely going with that one. I'm just gonna put all these. I don't even know which way these were going, but we're gonna figure that out. So this is gonna be my back page, and then we'll probably incorporate maybe like a little bit of this gray. Trying to think, does that even match? Let's do that one. Okay, so I like that a lot. I have so much of this collection. Okay, I didn't even realize that I had this much. So we're gonna go with this, and we're not gonna go with that one. We're gonna save that one for another layout. We're gonna go with this page and this one as like some sort of way. And then I think I want to incorporate some of this yellow. I just don't know how. Like, is that too much? I might put that one in there just to kind of give it a little bit more. And then I was gonna see if we have anything in her other collections. I have like a little like scrapbook collections of all her scraps. So I was just gonna see what else I could add into here, or even that one. Just gonna add a whole bunch, so then that way I don't feel like I need to just stick to one. I can certainly add in more. There we go. Okay, I feel like that is a good start to a kit for her field trip collection. So we have some scraps. I think I might try to incorporate some yellow scraps in here. Just I don't have any with me right now, so when I'm working on it I will probably incorporate some yellow, so then that way I can do that. So I have those. I have this. I'm gonna put this in a baggie, and then I think I'm gonna try to incorporate this search on here. And so I'm just gonna stick that in here, and then I do like these. They're very pretty and they kind of go with it. So if I could use those up, if I could use some of those and some of these and mostly some of those. So I think we got a really good kit started, and I'm super excited to have this at least one completed for 30 days of sketches. So you guys will see that in that video. So this is kind of like what I'm doing. If I don't have a photo, I'm just going to put kits together and just kind of, you know, have some fun with creating kits. But this is one thing that I'm going to be doing, and I'm super excited because I feel like if I can try to get some layouts completed or some kits created, it'll be a lot of fun to start working on them. So let me just put this into a little kit. There we go. And then this will be for one of the days. So let me just put the photos up front so then that way I know that this kit has a photo. So, all right, so you guys saw one. I'm super excited to have some more, but maybe I know for a couple of my prep videos there might be no photos because I haven't printed out a lot of photos yet. So I know this is one that I've been wanting to work on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.